With strong innovation and diversified product concepts, Millstar has many years of product development experience. Millstar is globally known for its high-quality machine tool manufacturing and has become a highly trusted brand name. Turning market challenges into experience, turning accumulated experience into rewarding milestones, creating new breakthroughs in quality and performance, developing high-efficiency, energy-saving products, meeting all customer expectations, listening to customers' ideas and integrating R&D resources, creating customized machining solutions to meet each application in every situation. We strive diligently because we know that every effort will bring far-reaching progress to the industry. With the birth of new products comes responsibility. Professional, high-standard testing of precision instruments ensures every product will meet international standards. Innovative and attractive appearances, combined with solid structural designs, impart a new level of machine excellence, bringing you more efficient, stable cutting operations. We hold the belief that every effort, no matter how small, can't hide its unique contribution. Accompanying you to grow is our greatest responsibility. One transaction, a lifetime of service. We hope to be your most solid support. Every product we build has its unique database. The Millstar database coordinates complete equipment data with the hope of improving maintenance services and eliminating overproduction. We believe that if the direction is right, the journey will be quick. Take action and contribute to the sustainability of the Earth.